Topic is electronegativity in periodic trends in properties, periodic classification of elements, Unit 8, Chapter 8 in chemistry. Electronegativity. So we have seen the atomic radius, ionic radii, ionization energy, electron affinity, and today we are going to see the electronegativity. So first you must know what is electronegativity. Electronegativity of an element is the measure of the tendency of its atom to attract the shared pair of electrons towards itself in a covalent bonding. So the two atoms are sharing the electrons. Okay, electrons, while sharing the electrons, one atom will be through the covalent bonding with strong bonding of covalent, they are shared. Okay, that is measured. Okay, that is measured how the atoms are attract to each other and how they are sharing with the help of covalent bonding, that is called electronegativity. So here they had given hydrogen chloride molecule. So both hydrogen and chlorine atom share one electron each to form the covalent bond between them. So they are forming one electron each side to form covalent bonds, that is hydrogen and chlorine. This is hydrogen and this is chlorine. So chlorine shares one electron, same way hydrogen is also sharing one electron. So they forms this hydrogen chloride, okay, HCl. The chlorine atom has higher electronegativity and hence it pulls the shared electrons towards itself more strongly than hydrogen. So chlorine has higher electronegativity. Due to that, it pulls the electrons more, pulls the electrons more to its side because of strongness, that is strong bonding compared to the hydrogen. So hydrogen is weak, but chlorine is stronger because of high electronegativity. Thus, when the bond breaks, the bonding electrons are left with chlorine, forming hydrogen plus and chlorine minus ions. So this is represented, that is diagrammatically they had given. So that is hydrogen, from hydrogen and chlorine they are sharing one electron. The two atoms are sharing one electron. Okay, they having a strong bonding here. And if anything happens, that is the breakage, any reaction, due to any reaction, this hydrogen chloride has to break. So the breaking takes place in the bonding region. So due to that breakage, because chlorine is chlorine has high electronegativity compared to the hydrogen. So because of it, so hydrogen gets anion because hydrogen loses electrons and chlorine gains electrons. So it gets minus charge, that is minus and positive charge. So this now you understood, no? Due to electronegativity, the two atoms are sharing the electrons with the help of covalent bonding. The stronger, the higher negativity, the higher electronegativity molecule, the atom gets the more number of electrons, and the weaker electronegativity loses the electron. Due to this, the weaker pull gets positive charge and that is chlorine, the stronger pull gets the negative charge, that is gain of electrons, loss of electrons. So electronegativity is based on various experimental data such as bond energy, ionization potential, electron affinity. So this electron negativity has various experimental data which was based on bond energy, ionization potential, electron affinity, etc. Pauling scale is the widely used scale to determine the electronegativity, which in turn predicts the nature of bonding, whether it is ionic or covalent between the atoms in a molecule. So this is so you can see the numbers now here. This is the numbers are the Pauling scale here. Based on this only they are determining the bonding between the ionic or covalent bonding. Okay, they are determining the nature of the ionic bond or covalent bond. So electronegativity of some of the elements are given below. Fluorine 4, chlorine 3, bromine 2.8, iodine 2.5, hydrogen 2.1 and sodium 1. If the difference in the electronegativity between two elements is 1.7, the bond has 50% ionic character and 50% covalent character, that is two electronegativity, that is the differences between two elements 1.7 means the electronegativity is 1.7 between two elements means it has 50% of ionic bonding and 50% of covalent bonding character is there. If the difference is less than 1.7, the bond is considered more covalent. So the difference is less than 1.7 means there the bonding is only covalent. The covalent but weaker ionic will be there, ionic bonding will be there, but more is covalent bonding. If the difference is greater than 1.7, the bonding to be considered as ionic. So if the difference is 1.7, then the bonding is ionic. Okay, so keep it in mind, 1.7 between the two elements, 50% is ionic and 50% covalent. Less than 1 point means covalent bonding. More than 1.7 means ionic bonding. Along the period from left to right, the periodic table, the electronegativity increases because the increase in the nuclear charge. So which in turn attracts the electrons more strongly. So as per the periodic table, the electronegativity increases from left to right. It is due to the increase in the nuclear charge. So which attracts more strongly. You can see the increase in the number from left to right. Okay, left to right the electronegativity number increases. Why it increases? Due to the increase in the nuclear charge, and due to the increase in the nuclear charge which is bonded strongly. The electrons are bonded strongly. On moving down a group, the electronegativity of the elements decreases because of its increased number of valency shell. So, in period it is increases from left to right, but in group it decreases down the group. You can see the 2.11 like that decreasing down the group. So, why the decreases in the electronegativity as in the group from down, and that is down. Why means increases in the valency shell, increases in the number of valency shells. Due to that, the group shows decrease in the electronegativity, but period from left to right it shows increase. So the periodic property in periods and groups. A small recapitulation of the periodic trends in the property. In atomic radius, the periods decreases and in group it increases. In ionic radius, in periods it decreases and in groups it increases. Ionization energy in periods increases and in group decreases. Electron affinity in period increases and in group decreases. Electronegativity in periods it increases and in groups it decreases. They may ask in 1 mark from this part. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubts, post your doubts in the comment box. Give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel.